like to know where our competitor is getting his munition.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Pinoy DIY. We'll make a button box controller. This is the Arduino Mega 2560. Okay guys, and this is the button with LED. This is a super chip only, and this is the push button, momentary, yes. And this is the speedometer natin, guys. Okay, you can buy this from online, super cheap. And this is yan guys, I have 7 segment. And this is LED. That's all guys, and I will start how to make button box. Okay guys, okay guys, this is the box. I just paint black color. Sorry, my English is not good. And this is the plate of the button box. It's too messy, but it's for example only. I think it's good enough for me. I don't have materials. Okay, we will start. First, we need to put this on the top. Okay. There is LED light from this button. Let's rate the negative, positive, and negative. And this is the push button terminal. Okay. Right. See. First button, second button, red. We will position the LED to left. Guys, we will position LED and switch. See guys, there's a plastic here. We will remove this after finish the project. Okay guys, we will fast forward the video. Okay guys, I've already set up the 4 buttons. Okay, we will set up the next button. This is button momentary guys. This is a momentary. You can make this this is hack only guys. You can make a toggle. Just put this, you can see this, just put here to make lock. Okay, this is not lock. Okay, you see there is not lock. This yeah, you can put the wire outside the line. Okay, I will see how it's work. Okay guys, this is example. This is auto hack toggle to momentary. I will teach you how This is a toggle lock. Okay guys, how to make a momentary switch. You see the wire. Okay, we will push the wire here on the side, guys. Don't remove, just put on side. Okay guys, you see I remove the wire. You see the lock, and you see there is momentary, not toggle. Okay, understand? Okay, we will put this this is switch have two terminal separated. That's why I use this. When you push once, it is latch button, the LED open. I will teach you how. Okay, now we'll start to attach the servo motor. Okay guys, we will start to attach. Already heated. The position of servo motor here. Okay guys, just follow sorry, just follow my okay. We will put here to avoid not moving. Okay, just a little bit, guys. Okay, it's finished. You see guys, then we put the other servo motor at the bottom. Okay, guys, see the servo motor. We put glue gun, just a little bit to avoid moving. Yes, we will dry to have a good position. Where's the one? I just okay. Okay, it's dry. This is not okay. It's already dry. Okay, you see guys. Okay guys, already done na. I don't have a resistor. That's this resistor LED. Sorry guys. And this is the push button. I have an LED green, this LED, and I put LED to this for more good function guys. And this is the button, and this is the keypad button. Okay, this is the button. I put keypad button here, and this is the speedometer. And this is the 7 segment. I will install it later guys. Wait guys. Okay, guys, the project is always done, guys. Perfect. As you can see the speedometer, there is an LED and neutral. You see the speedometer and the button have LED, and this is my Jeep, guys. Okay, you see, thanks for this mode. Okay guys, okay, we will start the LED first, the signal. We will open the engine. Okay, the engine start, then we push the signal, right, then left, okay, right, left, okay, and the high beam, low beam, high beam, okay, off, low beam and high beam, okay, see, and then the engine brake, see, and then signal, guys, see, all LEDs function, okay, and then we will start to move the Jeep. See guys, we will start to move the Jeep. You see guys, my Jeep is start moving. Okay, right? I didn't see. Wow, very nice. Okay. Sorry guys. Ooh. Okay. Sorry, I don't have a steering wheels right now. I'm just using a keyboard. That's why it's hard to control, guys. But it's the button. Button is already done and finished. It's perfect, guys. You see? See, guys? Wow, very nice. See guys, wow, wow, see guys, sorry. Tol, sa toll gate pala ako guys. Okay. Forget. Okay, you see the Jeep and the signal was ready function, guys. Yeah. Wow. Woo. Yeah. Okay guys, that's all. Okay, we will start and have a light. Then again, then left, right. Okay, almost done guys. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, that's all guys. Thank you.